What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to create Python packages and publish it live so that anybody in the world can use those in their Python projects. That means we're going to create some project and we're going to publish it in Python package index, that is pypi, so that anybody can pip install your package and use it in their own project. So let's just get started in the video. At first, what we need for this is you need to go to pypi.org, pypi.org. If you go to this website, and you need to go to register if you don't have an account, so register yourself. Otherwise, if you have an account, that's just fine. So before starting to code, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified immediately. And also press the like button that is just beside the subscribe button. Alright, so as you can see that I'm in VS Code and this is the project folder. So at first, inside this project folder, I'm going to create a package folder, and this name should be unique. Maybe if you haven't seen my last video on NPM modules, I'll leave a link down in the description below, and it will also pop up somewhere here on the top right corner of this video. So you can see that in that video as well, we had to maintain a naming convention. That means the name has to be unique and that has not been published by somebody else. So we need to think of something unique. So just like last time, I'm going to create area of rectangle, area of square, and area of triangle. This time I'm going to show three functions that I'm going to create. So in that case, I'm going to name it as area of shapes by my name, that is Ishra. And I hope that nobody has published any Python packages or Python modules with this name. So I hope this is unique. So I'm just going to write the name of the folder as area underscore of shapes underscore by Ishra. If I press enter, okay, I've created the folder. Now inside the folder, what I'm going to do is create just one file, which will be called area.py. I'm just going to name it like this. It doesn't matter what you name it, but you need to make sure that the name of this package folder should be unique. All right, so inside area.py, I'm just going to write a few lines of code. Like, as I said, that I'm going to define some functions. I'm going to define area of square, area of rectangle, and area of triangle as well. So let's just get started with area of square at first. So I'll write define square area and make it a function, and I'm going to pass only one parameter, that is length. And for this, I'm going to return length into length. I'm just keeping it simple. Okay, then I'm going to define rectangle area, and two parameters are needed to be passed. So the two parameters are the length and the width. So for this, we will return length into width. Okay, and finally we will be doing the area of the triangle. So we will write triangle area, and here we will be having two parameters as well. One is the base and the other one is the height. So when two parameters are passed, we will see return 0.5. That is, as we know, the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So 0.5 is half multiplied by base and multiplied by height. Okay, so this will give us the area of the triangle as well. So in this file, we have just defined three functions. One is the area of a square, one is the area of a rectangle, and the other one is the area of a triangle. So I'll just save this, and then I'll just go to the project folder, not the package folder. I'll just go in the project folder, and here I'll be creating a file which is called setup.py. Okay, I will be coming into this, and I need to create one more thing in the package folder. So alongside area.py, I'm just going to create another file which is called __init__.py. This file is usually empty, but sometimes we need to write some piece of code in this file, because you know, like if you keep it empty, then maybe when you're importing this package, then you need to write this from area of shapes by Ishra, like from area of shapes by Ishra. You need to import like this, name this file first, and then you need to access rectangle area or triangle area or something else. As you can see, that this is the way of importing this things. But if you mention this, or if you like sort of export this from init.py, or if you initialize these things in this file, then you can just directly write like from this package, you're going to import the function directly. So for this reason, what I'm going to do is inside this init.py, I'm going to write from dot area import square area, rectangle area, and triangle area, and I'll save it. All right. So this is the thing that I'm going to do, and then I will go back to the setup.py. Basically, the setup.py is the file which is sort of a configuration file. So I have all the things written here. I'm just going to copy those and paste it. So at first, I'm going to just copy this part. And before pasting, what I need to do is I need to import from setup tools, import setup and find packages. Okay, and after that, I'm going to paste this. As you can see that this is the name of our package. I need to write this name as the name of our package, like area of shapes by Ishraq. This is the thing, and we have a version. The author is my name, author email is my email ID. The description is like this. I have described it already, and long description is also there. And the packages point is find packages. That means this find packages will find the packages or create the packages for us. So basically, this is the setup or config file that we have done. So I'm just going to save it, and basically that's it for the coding part. Now we need to go to the terminal, create a new terminal, and let's get started. Okay, to create the dist file, that means the dist file is the one that we are going to publish. We need to have some installations done. So for that, we need to install wheel and we need to install Twine. But sometimes, maybe if you're outside a virtual environment, when you try to install with pip install wheel, you might find some errors. So for that reason, what we are going to do is like pip install wheel minus user. And if I press enter, this wheel will be installed in my machine, but as I already have that, so I don't need to do that. But this is the first step. And once this is done, what we can do is we can run python setup.py, then s dist and vdist underscore wheel. So if I run this, a dist folder will be created. So let's just press enter and let's see. All right. So you can see that we have a build and a dist folder created. So this is the folder, or this is the directory that we are going to publish it online, and then these packages will be available for use. So once this is done, the next thing is that, as I said, that we need to install Twine. So for doing that as well, you can install pip install, like you can try and install it with pip install Twine, but if you face an error, in that case you can install it like pip install Twine minus user. So if you do that, Twine will be installed in your machine, but as I already have Twine, so I'm going to use it anyway. And finally, you need to publish it online. So for that, what you need to do is write python -m Twine upload this dist folder, as you saw, this dist folder, and whatever is inside it. So if I press on publish, okay. Now in the beginning of the video that we have created a pypi account, that means Python package index in that website. We have created an account, and now we're going to use the username and password here. So for that, I'm going to put my username and my password. Okay, so now as you can see that this is being uploaded. And finally, this is my package. So if you try to install, or if you try to use this package, you can use it by pip install area of shapes by Ishraq. So this is the name of my package. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another project, and I'm going to try and install this and run whatever project or whatever package that I have created. So let's just do it. All right, so as you can see that we have another project opened in VS Code. So let's install virtual environment first. So what we are going to write is python -n bin venv. Alright, so now as the virtual environment is created, we are going to activate it with source venv scripts activate, and the virtual environment is activated. At first, let's create a file. Let's name it like script.py or whatever you want to name it, just name it anyway. And we're going to like pip install area underscore of underscore shapes underscore by underscore sharp. So this is the name of my package that I've published, and as you can see that it's being installed. All right, it's already installed. So what I can do is I can directly import it. So from area of shapes by Ishraq, import. Now you can see that I can directly import square area, rectangle area, and triangle area as well. So let's just print without any hesitation. Let's print square area, and as you know that we have to pass one parameter here, so let's go with 4, and you will be seeing a value of 16 for the square area. Then let's print another one, which will be the rectangle area, and in this case we're going to pass 2 parameters, so let's pass 3 and 5, so you're going to basically see 15. And in case of the triangle area, let's print triangle area, and let's pass a value of like 4 and 6. So the base is 4 and 6 is the height, so the area of the triangle you will find as 12, hopefully, if there is no mistake. So I'm going to save it, and finally I'm going to run this file. So sorry, it should be python script.py, and if I run it, there you go. You can see that 16 is the area of the square, the area of the rectangle that is with length or with 3 and 5 is 15, and the area of the triangle is 12, that is half into base is 4 and height is 6. So basically that's what I wanted to show. So you have created a package yourself, and you have published it online or published it live, so that somebody else anywhere in the world can use this package by just pip installing your package and then use it in their project. So this is very simple, and I hope this was very useful. Whatever idea you have, something unique and something that has not been published yet, try to make it, and then this is the way of publishing it and making it live so that other people in the world can use it. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Well, if you found this useful, please hit the thumbs up, comment what you thought, share, and please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, because with this you're helping me grow, and with this I'm being motivated to create more and more content. So with that said, I'll leave today, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.